Endless fields of sugarcane stretch across the landscape. This is where the journey of refined sugar begins.
Each stalk holds stored energy from months of growth. Inside, natural sugars are waiting to be extracted.
The raw material is dense and fibrous. Its juice contains the foundation of everything that follows.
Modern harvesting relies on powerful machines. Efficiency is critical at this early stage. Once cut, the cane must be transported quickly. Freshness directly affects sugar yield.
Transport begins immediately after harvesting. The race against time has already started.
At the factory, scale replaces simplicity. Raw cane meets industrial precision. Every delivery is measured and recorded. Accuracy begins before processing even starts. Careful coordination ensures smooth unloading. The process must remain continuous.
The raw material enters the system in bulk, but it is far from ready for extraction.
Initial separation removes unwanted material. Clean input improves efficiency downstream.
The journey continues upward into the plant. Each stage prepares the cane for transformation.
Inside the factory, complexity takes over. Every movement is controlled and deliberate.
These machines will apply immense force. But before that can happen, preparation is essential. Heat and pressure define the next stages. Conditions inside the plant are tightly controlled. The first transformation is about to begin. The structure of the cane will soon be broken down. This is only the beginning of a complex journey. The real extraction process comes next.
The cane enters the crushing system. Pressure begins extracting the raw juice from its fibers.
Mechanical force breaks down the structure. The juice separates from the solid fibers. Crushing happens in stages. Each pass extracts more liquid from the remaining fibers. The leftover material is known as bagasse. Even after crushing, it still contains usable juice.
Hot water is added to improve extraction. This process draws out remaining sugars more effectively.
The extracted juice is raw and impure. It contains fibers, dirt, and natural compounds.
The liquid is collected immediately. Volume and flow must remain constant.
Careful control ensures stable processing. Small changes can affect the entire system. The juice is transferred through a network of pipes. It moves quickly to prevent degradation.
Initial filtration removes coarse impurities. This prepares the juice for further treatment. Consistency improves with each step. Cleaner juice leads to better final results.
Heating begins the purification process. Temperature plays a critical role in separation.
As heat increases, unwanted elements rise to the surface. Separation becomes visible.
Impurities combine into larger particles. This makes them easier to separate from the liquid.
Clarification separates clean juice from waste. The process improves purity significantly.
The juice is now cleaner and more stable. It is ready for concentration.
The next stage focuses on concentration. The transformation is about to intensify.
The clarified juice now enters evaporation units. Water begins to separate, increasing sugar concentration.
Heat drives off excess moisture. The liquid becomes denser with each passing moment. Multiple stages improve efficiency. Each chamber removes more water using less energy.
The liquid has now transformed into syrup. Its sugar concentration is significantly higher.
The syrup enters vacuum pans for crystallization. Conditions here are tightly controlled. Lower pressure allows boiling at reduced temperatures. This protects the quality of the sugar.
Crystallization begins at a microscopic level. Small crystals act as seeds for growth.
Continuous movement ensures uniform crystals. Consistency is critical at this stage.
Sampling helps track crystal development. The process depends on careful observation.
Production runs in parallel systems. This maintains a steady output of crystallized sugar. The mixture is now called masakit. It contains both sugar crystals and remaining syrup.
Steam is carefully managed throughout the system. Pressure control ensures stability and safety.
The next step separates crystals from liquid. Precision remains essential. Molasses is pushed away from the crystals. Solid sugar begins to take form. The core transformation is complete. Refinement and precision adjustments come next. The crystals are still wet and unrefined. Further processing is required.
The remaining liquid is separated completely. What remains is raw sugar crystals.
The raw crystals move into refinement. Moisture and impurities must now be carefully reduced. Drying begins with controlled heat. Excess moisture is gradually removed from the crystals.
Constant motion ensures uniform drying. Uneven moisture can affect texture and storage life.
Temperature and airflow are carefully controlled. Precision prevents overheating or degradation. As moisture leaves, crystal structure becomes clearer. Texture begins to stabilize. Cooling follows drying immediately. Controlled cooling prevents clumping and maintains quality.
Airflow keeps the crystals in motion. This ensures even temperature distribution throughout the batch.
Sensors continuously monitor conditions. Stability is essential for consistent results.
Screening sorts crystals by size. Uniformity is a key requirement in refinement.
Different grades are separated precisely. Each size serves a specific purpose.
Polishing refines the surface of each crystal. The goal is a clean, uniform finish.
The visual quality improves significantly. Clean crystals indicate proper refinement.
Conditioning fine-tunes the crystals. Small adjustments improve handling and consistency.
Moisture levels are constantly verified. Precision prevents spoilage and clumping. The material now behaves predictably. Flow consistency is critical for packaging.
Different product grades are processed in parallel. Each line is optimized for specific output.
Automated systems direct the final flow. Sorting ensures every batch meets its specification. Refinement is now complete. The product is ready for final inspection and quality control. The refined sugar is held in controlled storage. Stability must be maintained before final checks begin.
Every batch is measured with accuracy.
Consistency starts with precise quantity control.
Automated systems correct any variation instantly. Uniform weight is critical for quality standards. Microscopic analysis confirms crystal structure. Precision at this level ensures product quality.
Concentration levels are carefully verified. Accuracy ensures predictable performance in use.
Moisture content must remain within strict limits. Excess moisture can affect storage and shelf life.
Final safety checks remove any contaminants. Purity is non-negotiable at this stage.
Advanced sorting systems refine the final product. Only uniform crystals are allowed through.
Flow tests simulate real-world handling. Free-flowing sugar is essential for packaging efficiency.
Consistent flow confirms successful refinement. The material behaves as expected.
Final size verification ensures uniform grading. Precision at this stage prevents inconsistencies.
The product now moves toward its final stage. Packaging begins once quality is confirmed.
Packaging systems are prepared in advance. Timing ensures a continuous production flow.
Filling is precise and measured. Each unit must match exact specifications.
Quality control is complete. The final product is ready for packaging and delivery. The finished sugar enters the final stage. Packaging ensures safe handling and transport. Sealing protects the product from moisture and contamination. Precision ensures durability during transport.
Automation organizes the final packaging. Efficiency increases speed and consistency.
Secondary packaging prepares the product for shipping. Protection is critical at this stage.
Palletizing allows large-scale handling. Stability ensures safe transportation.
The product moves into storage. Logistics now take control of the process.
Wrapping stabilizes the load. It prevents shifting during transit. Storage ensures readiness for distribution. Every unit is tracked and managed.
Tracking systems monitor every shipment. Accuracy ensures proper delivery.
Okay, bring it back another 2 feet. Looks good right there.
Yeah, straps are secured, ready for the next one.
Transport connects production to consumers. The journey continues beyond the factory. Distribution hubs organize final delivery routes. Efficiency ensures timely supply.
The product reaches store shelves. It becomes part of everyday life. From factory to purchase, the journey is complete. The product is ready for use.
In the end, sugar becomes part of daily routines. Its industrial journey fades into simplicity.
The final transformation happens in use. The purpose of refinement is fulfilled. From field to finished product, every step is connected. The cycle continues with the next harvest.